Good morning, 10:04 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future Digibyte OG. So first off, I want to thank everybody for tuning in. I want to thank everybody who tuned into the last video, the last update last night. It had over 1,800 views, and I'm very happy about that. It's been a while since we had one approach 2,000 views. That's the fastest I've had a video hit 1,800 views in such a short amount of time. So I want to thank each and every one of you for the continued support. I thought it was a phenomenal update, and I'm so glad so many people seen it. What we're going to do today is we're going to go over the XRP chart and how Bitcoin once again is up 4%, but XRP stagnant, while many of these other ones are running a little bit. I'm not saying they're going nuts. We've got a breakout watch on Doge, and we'll get to that in a minute. But first, I want to go to our meme genius, UB2Sob. Shiba Inu, better than pizza. It's been way better than pizza lately. And then I want to go real quick. We're at the coin market cap. I want to go to the XRP price live data. A little bit of news real quick about the price. So the live XRP price today is $1.09 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of, what is that? $2,674,493,073 in USD. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is up 0.64% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 7 with a live market cap of 51,280,085,951. It has a circulating supply of 46,946,349,017 XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion coins. And then we can go into XRP. XRP was created by Ripple to be a speedy, less costly, and more scalable alternative to both other digital assets and existing monetary payment platforms like Swift. RippleNet's ledger is maintained by the global XRP community with Ripple, the company, as an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions roughly every 3 to 5 seconds or whenever independent validator nodes come to a consensus on both the order and validity of XRP transactions. As opposed to proof of work mining like Bitcoin and BTC, anyone can be a Ripple validator, and the list is currently made up of Ripple along with universities, financial institutions, and others. So $1.09 XRP price change last 24 hours up 0.46%, 24-hour low and high $1.06 to $1.10 high. Trading volume is up 21.3% in the last 24 hours, so that's something to watch. Volume market cap 0.05215, market dominance 1.97%, so we've dropped off about 0.0299 from last night. Market cap's up 0.64%. Fully diluted market cap's up 0.64%. So that's basically what I wanted to show you here. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to sit and watch that. So let's go into XRP and see what's going on. So XRP to me looks like it's trying to make some kind of move. It's just we have not found volume. The most logical thing to me is we're going to ride this up, this little side right here, and at least come up to here. Could we somehow make it ride this and get up here? I think we could, but I think let's focus on getting to this $1.13, and especially this $1.16 area, because we've got that cup and handle that we would have to break past. So our immediate target would be $1.13. Obviously, $1.10 we have to break. $1.10's been some crazy ass resistance, like we've been saying, because this is a resistance support area. So we must get past this area. If we can't get past this area, it's over before it even starts. We have to get past here. So that's what I'd be looking at immediately in XRP. So if we bring it into the 1 minute, immediately what we're looking for is we're trying to break out of this region, and that's a good start. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but that actually is a good start the way it pulled away. The problem is there's no volume. So what we're looking for in the immediate short term is to try to run up here, take 110, and come up to 113. Oops. We're trying to overtake 110, ride our way up, maybe get rejected, and then try to overtake this area is what we're trying to do. because then that would bring you up to that 116, but it's going to be tough with this volume. We need some real volume to come in. That's why you're seeing a lot of these other ones move. DGB hasn't really moved. Like ZIL has gone up with not a ton of volume. V-Chain went up but is now correcting a little bit. But these had more volume. Doge is the one that I'm very interested in. The fact that Doge came all the way down off of that pump. I mean, perfectly, might I add you. It came off perfectly. And it rode this up or downtrending resistance that's now downtrending support. If this holds, this could be an interesting buy opportunity up to 32 cents. I don't think it's going to go there, but it's a possibility if it holds. It absolutely is. So I want to stay with the main though. So we have, like I was saying, with XRP, we've got this kind of a setup, and exactly what I showed you. Up to 113 is the possibility. It's got to break the 110 resistance. And then if it can break 113, it's got a clear truck to 116. If you guys want more content, be part of the most exclusive and elusive subscription-based service on YouTube, where you get the exclusive and elusive TFAM badge in month 1. Oh yes, me being abducted by aliens. And in month 2, you get Dusty's Outhouse Crypto News. And in month 6, as we have a slew of people at 5 months in Tom's Army. Oh yes. And we picked up a new member last night, so we're up to 157 members of Tom's Army. I was so proud to see somebody join Tom's Army. Not only that, in month 6, we have a brand new badge being released, so you're going to see a slew of people in the comments have them starting next month. And then, if you want to get exclusive content, well, Tom, why should I join Tom's Army when all this stuff is free? Well, it is free, but there are 3 updates a day on my YouTube, but there will be additional updates for my members in my YouTube members area and only, as you guys found out yesterday with the updated video about the price dropping when we were dropping. So if you want updated content, exclusive content to just Tom's Army, join for $9.99 a month and take a look at the members area. Let's get into XLM real quick. And also, if you want to check out any of my other content, we got my Swing Traders Anonymous, which is almost up to 800 subscribers. And just 4 subscribers away from 500 in my ISO headquarters. I'm very proud of both of those stations. So as you can see, XLM is riding this uptrending, supposed to be support line as resistance. So this doesn't look great to me. If it can't break this, we have no chance. If we break this, we've got a chance to get up to 41.5 at minimum. But these are neutral continuations when they're sideways, these sideways action. And we're looking for volume, because if we can't find volume, we made a little push up from 36.5, but there was no added volume. So that is always a concern. So that's what we're looking at with XLM, and we're looking at that very, very closely. DGB, same deal. That uptrending support we've rode as resistance now. This was a fear of mine the last few days. We wind it up, but now we have no volume. This is one of 2 things going on. This is a huge fake out in the market, and some of these are getting back to where they were at. And some of these, you can see, let me get, go back into the daily, 4 hour. We've got some of them that are trying to come up and finish these overextended cup and handles. And ZIL is a perfect example of that right now. Because over the last couple days, ZIL retraced, came down, bounced up, and then retraced again, and now it's trying to get back up to that immediate, I want to say around 11, what is that? We marked this out the other day. Yeah, I mean, we broke that 10.7, but there's supposed to be an 11.2 up here, because that's around where the cup is. So the next immediate move would be 11.2 if it can hold this. So that, I mean, that's what we're watching right now. And then with Bitcoin, Bitcoin's trading between 62,991 as we talked about yesterday. We're going to get up here, but can we get to 64,000, 63.5? That remains to be seen how high we can get. But I said yesterday there was a possibility we could start trading between these zones, and we would have to get up here to prove anything else, because we've got that downtrending resistance right there that I created. That I think if we broke this rising channel, we would have some trading like that. That's how I came up with this. So that's how I thought we could trade back up into that range. So what I do here is next level technical analysis, and I put in analytics with it. If you guys appreciate what I do, hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure to share this far and wide. I would love to get more videos with 1,800 and more views. That was such a great thing to see. So again, I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. Make sure to hit that like button. Pay attention to the markets. And remember, hashtag be better, do better. Help one person every single day.